Long before cities, beneath the forest floor, tiny shadows stirred the first colonies of life, moving unseen. A man reached for fruit. A tiny bite from a small creature changed the way we name the world. In firelit caves, our ancestors whispered met, the little biters, a name that would endure. Time moved forward, yet the ants marched on, their tiny footsteps mirrored in our gardens and dreams. While humans built cities, ants carved tunnels of patience and order, working silently beneath our feet. From Emet to ant, the name changed, but the spirit remained, tiny workers carrying the weight of the world. Storms may fall, nests may crumble, yet they rebuild. The teaching strength lies in persistence, not size. Across ages and languages, whispered beneath roots, the ant carries both work and wonder within its name. Every sunrise repeats their story. Life moves through them, naming themselves through action, unseen but alive. Beneath every root, something moves, slow and steady. They carry more than crumbs, they carry time itself. They move as one, never lost, never late, marching through soil, forest, and even human streets alike. Beneath every step we take, a world works unseen. The ant, patient, persistent, the quiet architect of life.